IRS Form 7004 is used by businesses to request an automatic extension of time to file certain tax returns. However, this extension does not extend the deadline for paying taxes owed. To avoid penalties, ensure any tax due is paid by the original deadline. Form 7004 contains two main sections. Part 1 identifies the tax return for which you're requesting an extension. Meanwhile, Part 2 provides additional information about the organization and the tax due, if any. Getting started, you'll need to first fill out your employer identification number, or EIN, business name, and address. Then let's move on to Part 1, where you'll select the form you're extending. In line 1, enter the form code for the return you want to apply for. The master list is found just below this. Locate your tax form, then enter the 2-digit code in line 1. Now let's move on to Part 2. In line 2, check the box if the organization is a foreign corporation that does not have an office or place of business in the United States. In line 3, check the box if the organization is a corporation and the common parent company of a group that intends to file a consolidated return. In line 4, check the box if the organization is a corporation or partnership that qualifies under Regulations Section 1.6081-5. This relates to companies who have activities outside the U.S. In line 5A, enter the tax year, beginning and end. In line 5B, if your tax year is less than 12 months, check the box for the reason. If other, you will need to attach an explanation. In line 6, enter the total tentative tax amount, if any. In line 7, add total tax payments and credits you've already made, if any. In line 8, subtract line 7 from line 6 and enter the amount, if any. And that's it. If this seems complicated, you can e-file Form 7004 for faster processing. Thankfully, ExpressExtension is here to make e-filing quick and accurate, helping you avoid errors and IRS rejections. See just how simple requesting an extension can be at expressextension.com.